Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download or upgrade to iOS 15 beta version on iPhone. But before proceeding, I want to let you know that this is a beta version, meaning it is under testing. So, there might be some bugs in it. Some things might work well, and some not. If you face any issue, or your phone does not work properly after installing it, then you yourself are responsible. And make sure you have data backup on your iPhone. Let's begin. First of all, we need to have latest iTunes in our computer. We can download it from Microsoft Store. After that, we need to download iOS 15 beta version. We are going to download it from the iPhonewiki.com. Here, scroll down. Under firmware status, we can see latest beta firmware. Click on it. Here, we will see a list of beta version firmware. We can download all these Apple devices versions. Now, we are going to download beta version for iPhone. Under iPhone, click on 15.x. Here, we will see iPhone list. Select your iPhone. Then, download the latest beta version. I have already downloaded it, so I'm gonna skip the downloading part. After downloading, open iTunes. Now, we are going to put our iPhone to recovery mode for updating. Before doing this, I will check my iPhone version. As we can see here, my iPhone has iOS 14.6. So, what we have to do for putting our iPhone to recovery mode is easy. Simply, shut down iPhone. Connect iPhone cable to PC. But do not plug in iPhone. Press and hold side button. And plug in USB cable in iPhone. At same time. Don't release the side button until you see the screen like this. Now, on the iTunes, we will see this window. Click on Cancel. We have got two options. The first one is Update. It will update our iPhone without erasing its data. And the second option is Restore. It will factory reset our iPhone. But right now, we are going to update our iPhone without losing its data. So, press and hold Shift key, then click on Update. A window will appear. Open iPhone iOS 15 file, which we downloaded. Click on Update. Now, iOS file is being extracted. It will take a little bit time. File has been extracted. Now, it is preparing our iPhone for updating. iPhone will reboot. iPhone iOS is updating. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Now, iPhone has been updated and it is going to reboot. After rebooting, swipe up to recover data. Enter your passcode. Verify again. It is going to recover our data. It will take time, according to our data size, and data will be right where we left them. Now data has been recovered, and new iOS 15 is booting up. Swipe up to unlock. Enter your passcode. As we can see here, iPhone iOS has been updated to iOS 15. Click Continue. Face ID. I don't want to set up right now. Agree, terms and conditions. And swipe up to new iOS. Thank you guys for watching our video. Give us a like if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.